Okay, I would if I were them. But anyway, Ekta, pharma stocks, right? That outperformance. What are you noticing there?
Well, you know, if you look at the index itself, it's up around 20% in the past 3 months, and we have multiple stocks which are at fresh 52-week highs, as well as record highs. So what's leading to this outperformance that we've seen in the pharmaceutical space? Let's start with the fact that there are key drug opportunities right now in the US, which is actually resulting in a lot of companies being positive or showing a lot of good earnings. So for example, we have Revlimid generic, which is a key cancer drug. A couple of these companies could make anywhere between $200 to even $500 million in terms of earnings within 1 year from this particular drug. Next, we have Sun Specialty portfolio. It could hit $1 billion this year. We have Spiriva generic for lupin, which they've managed to launch. They could rake up $100 to $150 million in terms of earnings. Now, that is in conjunction with an improving US markets. We have price pressure, which has improved in the US. It's mid-single digits versus double digits earlier. We have drug shortages, which have which could benefit companies in terms of opportunities. The injectable plant shortage for Pfizer, which could be a benefit. The other key point is that there is gross margin improvement which has taken place. This quarter itself, there's been 100 to 500 basis points gross margin improvement that we've seen because of key factors such as inventory liquidation, key starting material supplies easing in China, and it is estimated that there could be a range of 200 to 400 basis points in terms of an improvement of gross margins in FY24. The other big cue, domestic markets, they're doing well. Growth was between 6 to 15% in Q1. FY24 is expected to range between 8 to 10%. NPP amnesty scheme is one big trigger to watch out for. Lastly, there could be M&A, large equity deals that could be taking place. We've all spoken about Cipla. It's at a record high. There could be a possible deal in the offing. There is Glenmark Life, where there could be a 7 to 8% stake sale which could take place because of by law. And we have Biocon Biologics also, which could be raising some amount of equity. Lastly, I'll end with the valuations. While these stocks have seen a strong run-up, they are still getting close to their 10-year price to book value, so there's still some room there. In terms of risks to watch out for, there's pricing pressure which is re-emerging, US FDA issues, as well as any kind of regulatory headwinds which the pharmaceutical space could see. But I mean,